Jump, little froggy, hop, hop, hop. Over the lily, don't you stop. Green and tiny, full of cheer. Croak, croak, croaking, loud and clear. Hop, hop here and hop, hop there. Leaping high into the air. Jump, little froggy, splash and play. Ribbit in the sunny day. Swim in the pond and dance in rain. Hide in leaves, then jump again. Wiggle your toes and flip your feet. Catch the bug for a tasty treat. Hop, hop here and hop, hop there. Froggy fun is everywhere. Jump, little froggy, spin around. Croak with joy, what a sound. Here comes turtle, slow and sweet. Froggy jumps and says, let's meet. Fishies wiggle, dragonflies hum. Play with us, they call, come, come. Hop, hop here and hop, hop there. Froggy friendship fills the air. Jump, little froggy, do a flip. Land on a rock, don't let it slip. Sun is setting, sky turns red. Time for Froggy to rest his head. He yawns and stretches on a log. Curls up beside a sleepy frog. Hop, hop, dreams in starlit skies. Fireflies blink their lullabies. Sleep, little froggy, croak no more, until the sun says jump once more. So if you see a froggy hop, wiggling toes with a tiny flop, just clap your hands and give a cheer.